What up, guys? You know what it is. Back at it again. So this is the last video of this year that I will be dropping. Probably one more after this. Be the best of. But this is definitely the last video for this year. Going to take some time out. Just a little bit talking. Just a little bit. Beginning of the year, if you guys are going to be looking for videos, I won't be picking back up until February. Hopefully by then we have more content, more things we can do with this car to finish it up. And hopefully you guys come back to a great new year, me wrapping this car up and we can go and drive it and etc. etc. But on that note, I'm not going to ramble on more about this car. January. I will not be uploading at all due to funds and things I gotta order and for the be getting. So hopefully you guys won't be too upset about that. But the second part of it is I will be uploading starting February. Maybe the first week, maybe the second week. Second week of probably February. Uploading 3 times a week like we used to. I'm going back to my old roots. 3 times a week. Seemed like it did a lot of things different. Hopefully you guys like the new style once I come back. And the new, hopefully, progress. Leave a comment down in the bios and let me know if you like that or not. But I'm going to go ahead and get started with today's video. We are doing our last video on this beauty. She needs rear shocks, as you can see. And yeah, I can't get it all the way in because, you know, of course we got the 240 here. But hopefully that changes soon. But yeah. So I gotta do rear shocks on that. And we're going with these rear shocks that she wanted to put on. So it ain't no coilovers, it's the shocks. I'm gonna show you how to install that. DIY video for you guys. I'm taking it back to my first video when I first started with the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy. So first thing I'm gonna do with this is put the car in the air and jack her up with the jack and take off the wheels. So yeah, I know I'm recording at night. That's how I work. All nothing but night shift. But let me get into this real quick. Let me show you. So guys, it looks like we got right up here 2 bolts that I'm gonna have to unbolt. And of course it's a bolt right there. So I guess I have to get back with you and let you know what size socket they are, and make sure you soak this with PB Blaster because these bolts has been on for a long time, and yeah, just want to make sure they soaked. And I also want to let you guys know you're going to need an 18 to take off that bolt right there. It's an 18 and a 15 on the back. So put a 15 wrench or a socket on the back of this and put the 18 on the front right there where that little screw at, and you should be good. So I stand corrected. You do got to remove them 2 bolts and this whole thing comes out. So now I'm going to attempt to take this off. That's a 15 millimeter. I had to use a 5/8 to take this off, which means in, I think it's American, is 16 socket. I didn't have the 16 socket. I misplaced it somewhere around here. So yeah, let me do that now. So I just pushed down this shock, and I can tell you how it's bad. Look how slow that's coming back up. It's crazy. So that's done. Let's get the new one. I think it might come with new hardware. Oh. That's it. What's this? One bolt. Comes out with one new bolt. That's cool. Alright. Yes, I gotta take this part off of here, and that shall be it. See how fast that comes back up? That's how it's supposed to be. Alright, so let me reassemble everything. That goes on there like so. Then this. Right? Then this. Right? That. And put your new screw on. Now what you want to do once you put your new screw on is to take, I said a socket. The socket's not gonna work. And it's not the same thing. Okay, so it's the next size up, I guess. Let me get a 17. So then you put it back on there like so. Now I'm gonna install it back on the car. Reverse everything the way you put it on. So, finished the car, and I had to do a little button up for the plastic underneath the front of here. But just reversed everything. The other side was already done. So, I figured I'd show you a little bit on that side. Hopefully that helped you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment. If you needed help for this, let me know. That's what I'm here to do. You guys take care. Happy New Year's. See you guys in February for some more content for this car. So stay tuned. And if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram, where I shall post some things up on there. So peace, guys. Later.
You know we had to go shopping one more time, right? I think we forgot something. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the Billy Coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the Billy Coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do, y'all know me, cause all I do, y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me.